What's going on, guys? I'm here with Giovanni here at SPL Bagger Audio, and I just want to stop by and check out his bike and ask him a few questions about it. So obviously I see it's a CVO. What all have you done to this thing, man? And yeah, what do you guys do?
So this is our shop bike. We picked it up earlier this year to develop parts for the new 23-24 models. So it has every part we make for the bike as far as installation. Our 10-inch rings, our ports, our bag bracing, adapter plates for the lids. It has our 6.5-inch speaker pods, our tour pack amp mounts. As far as speakers go, it's a 6-speaker setup running B&C coaxials, Chiari tweeters, and 𝙎𝙗𝙙𝙂𝙂 10-inch mid basses. For amps, we have 3 Sound Digital Evo X2s, 5400 watt RMS. Everything's tucked in the tour pack bracket. It's an 𝙈𝙚𝙙𝙀 tour pack that was color matched and then custom backrest made to match the factory CVO seat. It's the first CVO this year on air ride front and back, and it has a 21-inch wheel off of a 22 CVO as well. It's running an AF custom center stand, dirty air for the shocks, premium shocks, compressor and tank. And other than that, it's pretty stock. We're still figuring out integration. And of course, it's running the XKGLOW Alpha kit, the advanced.
Okay. I was gonna ask, so obviously you got XKalpha on it. So this is the advanced kit, which is our bigger kit, which obviously you can tell it fills up the complete bike front to back. What is your favorite thing about the kit, whether it's a theme, kind of option have? What do you think, if you had to pick one, what would be your favorite?
I love with being able to assign zones. You can make it chase. Okay. So right now I just have it in rainbow, but my standard choices, I have a chase from side to side. Okay. And I like the Knight Rider theme too, where it goes front to back with the red and white.
That's awesome.
So having those options and being able to really assign the zones really makes everything a lot more custom versus just having one solid choice for lights.
Awesome. Well, Giovanni, I really appreciate it. Again, Giovanni with SPL Bagger Audio. If you're at the SEMA show, come check them out in the North Hall.
Yep, thank you.
Appreciate it, man.
For sure.
That's very good.